Hey, chemistry. The assignment you have today is one of the favorite assignments I have that we do all year. It's pretty straightforward. There's no math. You are looking at the periodic table and the names of different elements and learning a little bit more about why elements are named what they are. In the resource section, I've linked a periodic table that has the names. Hopefully it's big enough that you can see them. If you can't, you are always welcome to find or download another copy. I like to keep it simple, basic white and black, but you are always welcome to find a fancier one on the internet.
So this is what the assignment you open in Teams should look like, how elements got their names. Read the instructions and this section of information. It'll help you fill out the next section and figure out what you're supposed to do. Part A is all about element names that are named after places and either where they were found or where the person who discovered them was from. So for number 1, it gives you the clue, the country of France, and when you look around on your periodic table, you'll find an element named francium. That one's named for France. Part B is all about planets. There are 4 elements that are named for planets, and I gave you one of them. One of the elements is named plutonium, and that's named for Pluto, which used to be a planet. The other 3 are still currently planets. Part C is all about elements named after people. It's usually the scientist's last name ending with "ium." The first one is Albert Einstein, and the element named after Albert Einstein is Einsteinium. Part D is other interesting names. Element named after one of our coins. I filled that one in for you. That's nickel. The other 2 are an element named after the planet where Superman is from, and one named after Thor. The second part you're talking more about. In the second part, you're starting to talk about the element symbols, which are the letters that symbolize each element, either 1 or 2. So in the chart on the left, it gives you the element name and you're coming up with the symbol. The chart on the right, it gives you the symbol and you are finding the matching element name. This last part is where people most often get confused, so let's read the description. The elements in the following table are one that have symbols that come from their Latin names. See how many Latin names you can get right in this table. Find the element symbol, then pick the Latin name, study the element symbol, then pick the Latin name from the list below the table. Each name will be used once. So I did the first example for you. The English name of the element is antimony, but the symbol is SB. So I looked through the Latin names and I found one that had an S and a B. And the Latin name for antimony was stibnum, which is how it got the SB symbol that it currently has. So work through that. If you have questions, ask on the teams. Good luck, chemistry!